Hello, this is Karen Murphy with Pearson, and welcome to MGMT 436. I'd like to take a moment today to introduce you to the materials that are in use in your capstone course, talk you through the various components and also the registration process. If you've already been on the bookstore website, as I am right now, you may notice that the item that's listed for this course is listed as a package, Concepts in Strategic Management package for Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University. This is actually a bundle that contains two different items. The first item is your primary text, Concepts in Strategic Management by Whelan, 14th edition. And the second item is an access code. So we're going to go into Canvas in a moment. I'll show you what all is in there. But basically what we did in this course development was it became really apparent that because this is a capstone course and it is cumulative, we did have several different source texts that were going to be used in this course. And in order to alleviate costs to you so that students weren't purchasing multiple books, we actually created a custom course so that all of your digital resources are available within your Canvas course. So there are excerpts from two other e-texts that are included inside that access code, as well as some additional resources. So essentially you have a choice of purchasing the bundle. If you prefer a print text, this is the way that you're going to want to go. Or you can purchase directly online just if you want all digital resources. Either way, you're going to have the e-text for every book that's used in this course, as well as some additional resources that are required. So the access code is going to be necessary. If you purchase your print book somewhere else, just be aware that when you get to the Canvas course, you're still going to need to have an access code. I'll also note that the price that this is available, this package presently is $180. I realize that can go up, but our Whelan text by itself retails for about $15 more. So in creating that bundle, we are saving you money and essentially getting you a new text as well as an access code to additional materials. So let's take a quick peek inside your Canvas shell. I'm in the MGMT 436 course shell. If we go into modules, you'll notice that the second area categorically is my management lab and resources. We have here available 3 e-texts. Again, this is the Whelan Strategic Management e-text. It's essentially the same e-text that you're going to receive that print copy of, as well as some additional cases which will not be in your print book if you purchase that bundle. TOWS is an excerpt from another previous version of that Whelan text that's again not available in the print book. And then your Module 7 readings are taken from an international management text that again is not bundled because we wanted to save the money, so we went ahead and just put it in there as an e-text. So by having an access code, you will have access to all of these materials. And then of course we also have a multimedia library. This gives you access to Pearson's all of our multimedia content that correlates to the Whelan text. We have additional simulations and things that might help you with your studying or just for your intellectual curiosity. And then of course there's technical support should you have any issues with the MyLab. But the first time that you come in and you click on one of these resources, it's going to walk you through a registration process. This only happens the first time you log in. Once you're logged in, every time thereafter, when you click on that button, it's going to take you directly into the resource that you're looking for. So the first page is our very riveting license agreement, so I'm sure you're going to read it word for word and go ahead and accept it. And the next page is going to give me some purchase options. And actually, I think the first thing it should do is ask you if you have a Pearson login and password. If you have used a MyLab in the past, a MyMathLab or a MyStatLab or anything of that source, it may already recognize you, or you may be able to use that same username and password. Otherwise, you can go ahead and create one. You can access your course by using an access code. So again, if you've gone to the bookstore and obtained an access code, inside that little cardboard jobby, there is a tear-off strip and some letters, so you can go ahead and key in that access code. It's also worth noting at this point that again, because this is a custom course, that access code is unique to Embry-Riddle. That means that if you go online to eBay or Amazon or even Pearson and try to purchase just a generic My Management Lab access code, it will not allow you to register for this course with that code because that code doesn't contain all the assets that we have put inside this particular course. It is a custom course. So if you're going to go the access code route, it has to be through the Worldwide Bookstore. That's the only place literally that you can obtain the right access code. The other option, if you're comfortable with a digital choice and you like having, ebooks, you don't feel like you need that print book, or maybe you've obtained a used copy of a print book somewhere, this is where you're going to purchase your online materials. It's $105 for everything that you need for this course, essentially. It gives you the ebook to the Wheel and Text, gives you the additional international management chapters, the TOWS, and then the multimedia library, and it's $105 direct online, and you'd purchase at this point with a credit card on the secure website. Okay, and every time thereafter, when you come into your Canvas course and you go to modules and you click on any of these resources, it will take you directly into the Pearson content. A couple of small housekeeping needs, because I know a lot of these courses are offered online. My Management Lab and any other Pearson My Labs that you might come across do run best in Google Chrome. So if you are using particularly Internet Explorer, tends to be problematic. A lot of our content is built in HTML5, and that means that with Google Chrome being the highest fidelity browser for HTML5, it tends to operate better. Mozilla Firefox is a close second. So I would use one of those browsers if you ever run into any kind of an issue, particularly video runs poorly on Internet Explorer just by the nature of the beast. Good luck in your course, and have a great day. Bye.